can just take my time, smoothly, go on easy.
Yes.
Save on parts, save on fuel, save on energy. So we give thanks to the progress, you know?
Yes, give thanks.
Respect.
So
Me, Ja Aishenta represent for Michael Super Awesome Channel. Like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell. So the content then drop and you get it first.
viewers and subscribers, family sub, before me get into this video, I want you to read this comment. This comment you see on the stream now, my viewers, I want you to read this comment. Okay? Yes, read this comment and just read it carefully and tell me what you think about this comment. Okay? First of all, my people, if you notice me kind of black out the name. Why the reason me black it out? Because I don't know if this person can get in trouble in the country where he come from. Because he don't state the country, and you have some country have some serious sanction, you know. You understand? So me black out the name just for the viewers' sake. You get what I say? For film safety. And this comment make me feel good as a Jamaican. Yes, because normally when you get some comment about Jamaica, be a bad comment. This is a good comment. Tell me how you feel. Gonna read it, viewers. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the development of St. Thomas. You know it continue. So you know we're out of Roselle here, so. And as you can see, there's a lot of cone spread out before me. I talk to my viewers on YouTube, and I talk to my followers on TikTok. You understand me? I say, you know we have a little TikTok thing going now, my viewers. Yes, so we are trying to spread the thing out. So you know the development of St. Thomas, as I say, it continue. Okay, my viewers? So as I say, what am I do out here so right now? Starting from out here so out of Roselle here so, because the waterfall just the right out here so, they might put in the cat eye. The cat eye, which is the reflection. So at night time, you know, this thing reflect and make the road have a beauty, and also if you are asleep and the wheel catch it, you should wake up. Well, I mean, at the middle of the road, I know you have something serious to me going because them crazy driver, yeah? Yeah, want to chuck a ball come. I chuck a ball come if you have me stay in the whole hand. Yeah, we don't stay there with them truck, them viewers. And that's why we kind of take a little risk with the car, but not with them truck wide. Anyway, as I say, at the cat here, the reflector, cat here reflector, that them are put in out to some viewers and subscribers. You understand? So we're going to take a walk, we're going to see what them already do. As the time we reach, at lunchtime. So nobody know they are work right now because at lunchtime and gone for lunch. You understand me, I say, my viewers? Boss. Yeah, as you see, at lunchtime and gone for my viewers. So we are doing a serious piece of work right now, you know, by walking at the middle of the road to make you see what go on, my viewers. So like up the video, you know. Yeah, man, encourage you so we can continue. When the man talk today in the road like white line, and that I catch you right now. In the middle of the road like white line. Which part to say with the Roselle St. Thomas, you know, viewers, and I can't hear them are put in now. So we say the development of St. Thomas continue, you know. Yes, man. Up. I remember I am your eye away from home, so no matter how day in the world. No matter how long I'm going to take to come to St. Thomas, it's like when he's here, my viewers. That one where I bring it to you, make you see what go on. In the road improvement, the development of St. Thomas. Yeah, we are take a walk, make you see what them already done. As I said, them gone for lunch. So them are forward back as yet. We don't know if we will catch them when they come, make you see the road. Bless up, you know, me done. When you say you're part of the thing, yeah? Are you put it in? Alright, bless up yourself. See you here, some boss. So we have to give you a talk then, man, if you like what. Give me a talk now, Dan.
Yeah, man. Born and grew at St. Thomas.
Yes.
Please to see the progress of the parish, you know, because you can just take me time,
Yes.
smoothly, go
Yeah.
on easy.
Yes.
Safe on parts,
Yeah.
safe on fuel,
Yes.
safe on energy. So we give thanks to the progress, you know.
Yes. Give thanks here.
Respect.
So it's a mechanic man now go have no too holy work to do again.
I have work, but not on carrier.
Alright, my man. Bless up yourself here.
Respect.
Anna. Yeah, man, everybody attack that maybe are surreal. I don't lie, I tell. So when you put on new parts for your vehicle now, you might thought that if you have a good period at least you drive it over gully and something. You see me, I say my viewers, bless upon yourself. So do they do? Continue watch the video, man. Bless upon yourself. So as you can see, viewers, them put it outside here, so in the middle of the road, and then also up on the next end over there, so. Understand? Get the right cross. So them thing, viewers, is a very important thing. We're going to come on tonight, and even as a driver, cause why do a night time? It reflect, it give you a light reflection, so you can see ahead of you to see what going on. If the road take no deflection, the road have no turn or anything like that. And if you also asleep, and the car should drift, and the wheel catch it, it will alert you like to wake up. Them cat here, yeah. Because it will go make a sound to prr, prr, and no matter how sleep, you sleep dead, yeah. You have to wake up higher. Because drive, if you drop asleep. So them cat here is a very important thing, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah. I see who now go give me the thumbs up now if you see me walking at the middle of the road to make them see what I want. Like up the video, share up the video. But them big truck here, I don't walk with them. No, I don't walk with them big truck here. None at all. Fiber cable, if you never know. Yeah. Bless up, me dan. I make a statement the other day and say, boy, come like every other person who own a vehicle at St. Thomas, and somebody comment and say, they look like the bad mind people. I never pay no mind because I don't know how bad mind come there. So. After me, I tell you how the place lift up and the progress of the place have, you say, collect me back. I never pay no mind. Wastewater that, we just dash that. Yeah, that's a wastewater that. We don't store that, we dash that. Anyway, as I said, a Roselle with it, in case you never know, the Roselle Fall is still here, my viewers. Yeah, the Roselle Fall is still here, you know. So if you don't know it's here, we do video with it already. You can take a look, refreshing our brain. Yeah, this is the Roselle Fall. We come on to holiday, not even holiday alone. A lot of people stop by, get a little fresh up roast in a hot time, because you know, I don't know which part you come from, you know. I want to live viewers, but I tell us that from a couple weeks now, the sun come closer to earth. Let me say hot. Jesus. Yeah man, the sun come closer to earth, man. So that's the great, this is the great Roselle Fall in St. Thomas. And this piece of road here, sir, a concrete road. So in case you never know, this piece of road right at the Roselle Fall here, sir. Concrete road, my viewers. Yeah, this is concrete road in case you never know. Take up this thing, man, because this thing have to blow over. Yeah, take it up. Yeah. So we are walk and show you what them already done already. I couldn't see what them already done already, my viewers. So if you're coming out this side now, or you're coming to St. Thomas, yeah, them thing you go see. Whereas if you travel at night, so the development of St. Thomas continue. As I say, we not them gone for lunch, we not get to see them a put in on, but we show you that them a do. As you can look and see, freshly put in, freshly put in. As you see, yeah, it freshly put in. We don't want to saw them do it still, but they not really up on the site, you know, I do not work, so we not get to can show you, but when you see set a put in, okay, my viewers? Bless up on yourself, you know. Yeah, so that's, they not stop here, so it continue, go right out, you know, viewers. But that's a cone stop here, so. Because when them do a section, then they move the cone and carry it on and on and on. You understand me, viewers? One to put right here, sir. None of the right here, sir. One to put over there, sir. So if you come in this side and you want to travel with speed, let me show you the speed limit where you're supposed to travel. This is the speed limit that you're supposed to travel. Okay? So you can't say nobody see and know. So not go more than 80 here. But anything under 80 or 80. So bless up on yourself, you know, my viewers and subscribers. As we say, we bring it to you, make you see them put in the cat here now in the road. And for you see them do this, that means that segment of road are finished. No more paving now take this part of road here. So okay, my viewers? Yes, for you see them a white line it and put in the cat here, the reflector. You know that side are finished completely with asphalt paving. So we bring it to them, make you see what I go on, my viewers and subscribers. So if you're new and subscribe to my channel, thank you for doing so. If you leave a like, thank you for liking up my video. You leave a comment, yes man, that's where you should get active. We're down in the comment section. So big up the people on the YouTube, you know. Big up all over the TikTok too. You understand me? I say, just continue giving them the support. But it's over the TikTok then, I want to talk to you, you know. Sometimes I look on some video about some 14,000, 13, 7,000, 4,000. How much views? And when I look on the follow never catch 1,000. Come on, man, TikTokers, man. Follow up the thing, man. We could catch 1,000 and then we continue from there, no, man. Yeah, man, run with me, got 1,000, man. Me light, you know. Yeah, man, we don't bird neat, man. Just run with the got 1,000 and when we got 1,000, then we can take it from there. You get what I say? Bless upon yourself, man. Because I want to go some live and something to make you see something, you know. Okay? Alright, bless upon yourself. So now that you come to you for another video, hope you all enjoy. So see you people in the next video, you know. I will say safe travel, pan the gravel. I'm out.